Welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Diamond, and today in NXCAD we will cover this pattern feature. And in this pattern feature we have lot of commands. uh, Gradually we will cover all the options available in the pattern feature. So let's start with the pattern feature. Before starting, I have to draw the object which I want to be pattern on the face. So I have created a rectangle and just extrude this. You can cut it whatever you want. You can create or you can subtract it, and the angle is 6 and click OK. This is my feature. Now I want to pattern this on this face. So let's click over the pattern feature, and in pattern feature first option is this feature to pattern. Select the feature which you want to be pattern on the face, and in pattern definition we have these option. And first of all, I will cover this linear pattern. In linear pattern we have to define two direction. Just click the direction 1 and specify the vector. With this XY, this coordinate system, you can define the vector first direction, or second direction you can click over an edge. With the help of edge you can also define the direction, and the count is 4 in first direction and the distance is 2. So just click and drag the handle so the pitch distance will increase. And if you want to see the preview, just show result. The result will come. In first direction number count are 4, and in second direction that is 2. Now symmetric. In symmetric option, this is the first one will be the middle of the pattern, and the object will pattern both sides symmetrically in x direction and negative x direction. Because there is a no face, that's why it is not showing this. So just remove this. And in second, just increase the number of count 4. You can see the preview. You can drag the distance or you can input the value. Increase the number of count in x direction and click preview. So my first pattern, linear pattern, will show the result. Now just click on pattern increment. Now I want to define the incremental value. So here we have this pattern definition, and this is my extrude, and in extrude I have end limit, start limit and the draft angle. And first of all, select in which direction you want to create the incremental. So I will go with direction 1 and select the end limit and add. The end limit will incremental value 2, so the height will increase gradually by 2 millimeter. And now I will see the result. You can see in the first direction the height of the extrude will increase by 2. Again incremental value. In second direction I want to increase the incremental value by 2. The height is increasing in both the direction. In incremental I have one more option, that is the draft. And now I want to increase the draft. Just click over the draft and add, and I want to increase draft incremental as 1, and the angle will increase by 1. The draft is increasing in the second direction only. You can see it will look like this. So this is my incremental pattern incremental. Now I don't want an incremental, so just go to incremental and delete all those values. Now this is my simple pattern, and in this pattern next I have this instance point, and in instance point you can select any point. Suppose I have selected this point, and then right click over the point, and we have this first option as suppress. So in this pattern this point will suppress, it will not show you. And if you want to again see this point, just right click and unsuppress, it will come back in the pattern definition. Now again right click over the point and delete, and this point will delete it, and pattern will, and again right click and undelete this, and right click, and I want to define the direction. So I have this direction, just do this and drag for the direction and click OK and show the preview. The point will transform in the specified direction and the distance which I have given. Right click over the point and unclocked, it will come back. Again I'm going to click this and I will choose this clock, and here I have one more option, user defined. Now I want to rotate this at an angle of and in a specified direction. Now click OK and see the preview. This is my preview. So this is my instance point. With the help of this instance point you can move any point at a specified direction, and you can suppress any point, you can delete any point. In instance point, just click over a point and select the specify variance. In specify variance you can define this definition and limit, start limit, and the draft angle for a specific point. This will work only for a single point, or you can choose more than one point, but it will work only for the selected point. So I want to extrude this point as a limit of 20, and draft, I want to change the draft value, and the draft value become 2, and click OK and see the preview. My instance will change as per the values. Only one point, only one object, one instance will change. Next, first I will remove this variance and unblock this. Now in next option, pattern setting, I have this frame only, and in this with this option you can create the pattern on the outer frame only. The number of instance in X and Z direction it will follow, but inside the boundary, inside the frame, the object will not come. With the help of this frame, on the frame it will come only on the frame of the pattern. For next option I have to apply some changes. Just remove this and increase the number of count, and first direction. And now see the preview. This is my preview. Now I will use frame pattern, frame only. The frame will come like this. Now I want to second direction 1. In first direction the result will something like this. In first direction it will, and in last direction, second direction, it will like this. Or just remove this, show last line instance, so only first line will stagger. Or we can do one more thing, just remove this frame only, so this will show like this. In first direction it will stagger like this. If you want to stagger between the boundary, click over this. Now I will go to this setting, and in setting we have this output as a pattern feature. All the object, all this point come into a feature pattern, and if you click this copy feature and create new, so all will come into separate extrude command. You can see here all are separate, extrude 7, 10, 11, 12. With the help of this we can separate all the extruded object, or if you want to pattern, and I want this like a pattern, so click output as a pattern feature, so whole will come into a pattern definition. This is my pattern definition, and all other are in this. Means if you want to change this pattern definition, you can change with the help of this command, or if you have chosen this single, then pattern will not change, only single you can change in a single object, in a single extruded object. So this is the linear pattern, so hope you understand.